Meaning of doctrinaire.
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 Doctrinaire. The term doctrinaire refers to a person who rigidly adheres to a particular doctrine or set of principles, regardless of practical considerations or changes in circumstances. Such individuals are often seen as inflexible and unwilling to compromise or consider alternative viewpoints. In extreme cases, doctrinaires may exhibit dogmatic or authoritarian behavior that can hinder progress or lead to conflict. Overall, the use of doctrinaire thinking can limit creativity and hinder effective decision-making in both personal and professional contexts.